Good morning, students. Today I am going to take the topic of subtraction with you. First of all, I would like to tell you what is subtraction. Subtraction is an operation that represents the operation of removing objects from a collection. The result of subtraction is called difference, and the subtraction is represented by the minus sign. You should remember this first. Now I am going to tell you the process of subtraction with the help of few examples. Let us start. Students, today we are going to learn how can we subtract two-digit numbers. See, here we are having one number, that is 48, and the another number with us is 42. We are going to subtract 42 from 48. We will write 48 above and the second number below, 42. And now we are going to write their place values also, ones and tens. And now in the next step we are going to subtract 2 from 8. When we will subtract 2 from 8, we will get here the answer 6. And when we are going to subtract 4 from 4, the answer will be 0. In another example also, you can see we are having the number 37 and 15 with us. So to subtract them, what we will do, from 7 we are going to subtract 5. When we will subtract 5 from 7, we will get the answer 2. Similarly, here also we are having the number 3 and we are going to subtract 1 from it. When we will subtract 1 from 3, we will get the answer 2 again. In the third example also, you can see that here we are having the number 40 and 10. Now what is special here is that in both these numbers we are having 0 at tens place. So when we have to subtract 0 from 0, our answer will also remain 0. We have to subtract nothing from nothing, so our answer will be 0 only. Here you can see we have the number 4 and below it we have number 1. We have to subtract 1 from 4. So when we will subtract 1 from 4, we will get the answer 3. Similarly, in this example also, we are having 99 and 20. Here at ones place we are having 9 and below it at ones place we are having 0. So when we are going to subtract 0 from 9, our answer will remain 9 only. Here we will not write 0, but here our answer will remain 9 only. We are going to subtract nothing from 9. So 9 will remain with us. Our answer will remain 9. In this, we are having number 9 and we have to subtract 2 from it. When we will subtract 2 from 9, we will get the answer 7. So we will write here 7. See students, your question of subtraction can come in this manner also. You will be given two numbers and you have to expand those numbers. The teacher can write here tens and ones and give you the boxes and you have to fill in these placeholders. So see how we are going to proceed with it. If we are having two numbers like this, 58 and 24, and we have to perform the operation of subtraction here. So what we will do, we will first expand the number 58. Here we can see that 8 is at ones place. So here we are going to write 8. And here we can see that 5 is at tens place. So in this placeholder of tens, we will write 5. Again, in this number 24, 4 is at ones place. So we will write 4 here. And 2 is at tens place. So we are going to write 2 here. And now we are going to subtract 8 from 4. We will be getting 4. Here we will write ones because it is at ones place. And here 5 is at tens place. 2 is at tens place and we are going to subtract this. When we will subtract 2 from 5, we will be getting 3 as our answer, and here we are going to write tens. So here what you can see, it will become 3 and 4, 34. So here we are going to write 34, and you can place this arrow like this also. Your question of subtraction can come in this manner also. Subtract 42 from 73. So in this type of question, what we are going to do, we will be writing the bigger number first, that is 73 is bigger than 42, so we will write 73 first, and then we will write the another number 42 below it. Then we are going to expand both of these numbers. 73 on expanding will become 7 tens and 3 ones, and 42 on expanding will become 4 tens and 2 ones. Then we are going to subtract this. When we are going to subtract 2 from 3, we will be getting the answer 1, and here we will be writing ones. And on subtracting 4 from 7, we will be getting 3, so we will write here 3. Along with it, we will write tens, so it will become 31. Here we are going to write 31. Thank you.